Dear Tudor with regards, my name is Julio Alexander Ortega. I am 48 years old, work as maintenance technician for industrial printers. My happily married state, I am responsible person. It will be true that if I for my ideals, I love my family, and I currently live in the Cucuta city. According to tax, I chose description A, two objects from my house to make the sixth comparative sentence. The TV is used more than the sound system. The TV is thinner than the sound system. On TV, you don't hear as loudly as on the computer. That the sound system is bigger than the TV. The TV has control as the sound system. The speakers, the sound system are large than those of the television. Thank you.